This time we have a different setup of bathroom, and in this particular bathroom we installed a built-in type of water cistern for the western type of water closet, using the PPR pipe for the hot and cold water line plumbing system. And as you can see here, the piping installation is almost complete. Disclaimer, by the way, the products that you can see in this video are legally purchased from the supplier, and we have no intentions of promoting or advertising the products. All the products that we installed here are done according to the specification that fits to the use and in compliance with the requirements in accordance with the existing building code and plumbing code. The product name that appears have nothing to do with the video. And as you can see, for built-in water cistern for the water closet is already being installed. This one here is our inlet valve for the water supply. This one here is our mixer for the hand spray, hot and cold. And this one here is our mixer for another hand spray for the Arabic water closet. This one here is our shut-off valve, and this one is the shower mixer, hot and cold. This one here is our water line going up to the water heater. Our water heater is embedded inside the ceiling, so that is why our piping system was extended up to the beam of the slab. And in here is our wash basin. There are 2 units of wash basin there. And that's it for this particular bathroom, and thank you for watching.